So my name's Simon Martin. I'm the chef patron at Restaurant Manor in Manchester. So I started my career at 16. I went to get an apprenticeship at a one Michelin-starred restaurant called the Chester Grosvenor in Chester. And then from there moved on to work in Australia for a little bit with Gordon Ramsay, and then most notably at Noma in Copenhagen. One of the reasons you go to work for these chefs is because you want to be inspired and learn from these chefs. There was no specific reason we chose Ancoats other than that I needed an empty building. I didn't want to go into somewhere that had been a restaurant before or really anything else before. It just turns out that we've been really fortunate in the sense that it's only independent businesses around here, and it's a really thriving, up-and-coming area. There's currently 14 in the kitchen, 4 in the front of house. We didn't need a massive front of house team because chefs do most of the serving. Front of house have a great job in the sense that all they have to do is clear plates, do drinks, and make sure everybody's happy, and and all the little details in between. So we do 26 covers per service. We were originally doing 32 when we opened, and we found that quality wasn't suffering, but it wasn't giving us any scope to improve. So we reduced to 26, and now that we find we're very strict in the way that guests come in. The way I would describe the food style here is quite eclectic, very seafood driven. But in the sense of an overall style, I think we just keep things very natural. We cook what's out there, and we just prepare everything with just some intelligence and some respect. What we normally base our individual servings off is a larder of ingredients, things that we've preserved over the course of the year, so that we can have something that's in season elevated by something from seasons past. Getting the star wasn't something that, when we opened, it was a goal from day one. It was have a restaurant full of happy guests, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that pay your bills and keep you open. I would say 3 or 4 months in, I sort of made the decision that it was something that we really wanted. I thought it would be great for the city, it would be great for us, and we all were aware of how hard we were working, and of course we wanted to be recognised for that. In terms of where we want to go with the team now, and this has been communicated with them, is that we want to create an environment where they feel like they can have a career. I think it's all well and good, pushing forwards and achieving these things, but you need to look after the people that helped you achieve that. In terms of the progression of the restaurant, we're a type of people who do want to continue to progress. And so if there's a willingness to do that, then I think that's going to come out naturally.